Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe me. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Hi Kelly Mom, welcome back to my channel, and today we're having a seafood boil mukbang, however it's pronounced. And my special guest is my aunt. What's her name?
Oh, sorry, my name is Jenny. Hi, Kelly fans.
I don't have fans though, supporters. No fans. So we're gonna be eating.
I'm already hungry.
Same here. And answering questions. So I asked you guys on Instagram, Snapchat, and on my WhatsApp. So I'll be answering those. So I'm gonna get right into eating because I'm starving. Okay, first, let's start off with praying.
Heavenly Father, thank you for blessing us with this wonderful, scrumptious food. We're very bored, so we have been cooking. But bless us in your Son's name, Jesus Christ. Amen.
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 Thank you, Jehovah, for this food and for the chef. She cooked, guys.
I did.
So first, I'm gonna start off with my corn. I love corn. So let's get right into it. This camera, they will be watching us.
So I actually like crab. Like, I really do. These were actually bought, like, you know, like the ready-made crab. Oh wow, I can't even get it out. But anyways, this is the crab. So we made like a this is a Louisiana style garlic sauce. It's really good. Like, really good.
Facts. The first time I tasted it, I didn't.
My parents are actually like watching us on our webcam right now because we told them, we kicked them out of the room so we could, you know, well, she can do her thing. This is really good. Really good. So yeah, crab claws. I personally prefer king crab.
We didn't even do a
So yeah, so basically a seafood boil. I don't know, you want to explain what is it?
You don't take over.
She is occupied, guys. So, being her guest, I shall explain a little bit what the
My
seafood
guest
boil
and the
is.
chef.
So for our seafood boil today, we actually used regular potatoes because we're in lockdown due to COVID-19. So we don't really have
much of a choice. COVID-19 is killing me and I must confess, I still do.
So we use regular potatoes and I just cut them up in squares. And corn. Yeah. We had only 2 small potatoes. So usually we use like golden potatoes. This is like the potatoes that you really want to use in your seafood boil. It takes a little bit longer to cook and it doesn't get too mushy. Like, point in fact. Yeah. And then we have shrimp. We don't have crawfish here for some reason.
We have crawfish, but in the bag, but we didn't get any because we're not allowed to go to the store as we want to. So
yeah, because of COVID-19. But this is like the closest thing to crawfish. So we have shrimp, and like I said, we have crab legs.
So guys, I'm going to eat a shrimp now, and this sauce tastes good.
You want to hold up the sauce so they can like see it?
So this is my layer.
So this is the Cajun sauce, the garlic butter sauce. So you have to say like, what's her name? The lady who does the mukbang. The mukbang. What's her name?
Beloved.
What's up, my beloved?
Wait. Anyways, so I didn't answer some questions just now. Y'all asked some good questions this time. I love the questions. And they made me think. I don't even know if I have an answer for all.
Oh, that's good. This is
Good
really
questions.
really good.
Very good questions.
Can I have some of your sauce?
So, guys, ask them to get her own sauce because
She did ask me if I wanted sauce, but due to the fact that this is like my first mukbang, I know nothing about dipping anything in sauce. You know what I mean? So,
how was the egg? Good.
it was delicious. Oh,
Yeah,
that
have a
is
little-
good. So we're not sponsored by Gatorade, but you can get on the train Gatorade.
Sponsor us.
You know.
Anyways, so I will answer a little bit of questions now. How old were you when you developed a love for modeling?
Very young.
Facts. Probably 10. No. 11.
Younger.
No, man.
I'm her aunt. I'm like way older, so I'll answer.
I wanted to be a police when I was younger. Then, when I moved to BVI, all of that changed because I started to watch stuff on TV with police, and I didn't like how they were getting treated. Like, I thought people were treating them with respect and they had the power to do whatever. Like, you understand? Like, they were protected and what's not, but nobody's protected in this world. So I was like, I can't be a police. Let me just be something else. So I found my passion in modeling and plus my height. And I was watching the Kardashians. Kendall Jenner inspired me. So that's why. So I was around 11. Not no younger. 11 years old. I wanted to be watching Kardashian with me. Yeah. Next question. What's a code that you stand by? A code. Give me one that you stand by, even if it's me, but you could give me a code. For yourself. And I don't think of one for me. I don't know.
Well, honestly, I just believe like for females, like young females, young women, I would say, like your ultimate code should be just confidence. Just always have confidence in whatever you do, whatever passions you have. Just have confidence.
I agree that one. Strongly believe in that. My
What's on
code.
the table? Sorry.
My code, oh my gosh. How is this similar to what I wanted to say? I wasn't going to say that, but she made me think of it. Because I always feel females should have a lot of confidence. Because a lot of them don't, and they question other females' confidence. Like, they just say you cocky because you have a lot of confidence. No, I'm not cocky. You just lack confidence in yourself. So you think I cocky because I have confidence.
Facts.
That's it. So I will go with her answer as well. Confidence.
Next question.
That's funny. Would you ever be a side? A side what? A side dish?
We don't support coleslaw, potato salad, and whatever other sides that are out there.
You see that song was sing? Could never relate. I don't do that.
We're trying to be wives.
And that's low.
That's being like second pick.
Yeah,
You're never
you
second
never
pick.
second to nobody.
No.
Never.
Never. Should never.
No, Bill.
Next question.
What's your biggest fear?
Oh my gosh, not being able to be successful in whatever dreams and aspirations that I may have had. Like not even be able that's a word. Like really and truly not being able to fulfill a lot of dreams and wishes, I would guess. That's like my biggest fear.
My biggest fear? My biggest fear don't happen, man. I think, yeah. Everybody's biggest fear is like losing their parents or whatever. So that don't happen for me. So I have small fears. It's my small fear. I don't have a big fear yet. I don't know. I scare lizards and them thing. And also getting my heart broken again. It's a secret, guys.
It's a secret?
Anyways, what's your goal in life? My goal in life is to be happy.
I think that should be everybody's goal, to be happy. Not like just happy because, you know, probably something happened to you during the day, or you're in like this great relationship and you're happy, like literally happy.
I
Like,
hate fighting with a string for the longest, man.
wow,
Anyways,
happy on your own. Like, honestly,
find
just
your
happy.
own happiness.
That part.
Find happiness within yourself. Damn. That's my goal. Who inspires you? I would say
Me, of course.
my grandmother, my grandparents, because they have walking. And who inspired me in modeling? Kendall Jenner. How was your move from St. Lucia to VG? Emotional impacts, how it shaped you? Whew. I going start to cry. This is
I just have food.
okay. So my move, it was very sad. I moved to Virgin Gorda, the BVI, when I was 10 years, and I was leaving everything like I built up in St. Lucia, my friendships, my cousins. I was leaving all of them behind. Yeah, and
Would you like a tissue?
no, I can catch myself. Yeah, I was crying a lot on the flight. I was just crying.
I like Terrence Bill at some international airport.
Yeah,
Literally.
they thought my grandmother wasn't my grandma, like I was getting kidnapped or something. Honest. But then I get accustomed, not accustomed. I started to go to school, I made friends, and I started to love it here. And like this is where my modeling stuff starts. Ted and grew. So yeah, I like the BBI. I love the BBI
Grew.
now. I love the BBI. It shaped me into
The person that is like literally here right now, talking to you.
facts, and I love her now. But like when I go back home, it's too busy for me. I like the quietness here and how slow paced it is. Back home is a fast pace. So I love her. Even I miss my family and things in St. Lucia, but I love the BBI now. Because I have wonderful friendships, opportunities, and I'm well known here to see. Yeah.
Would you consider that a plus or?
Being well known.
Yes.
Being well known in the BVI is not a plus. Like, no, it has its cons and its pros. So,
What would you say is like one good thing,
I get called for jobs.
and the bad thing?
My name get pulled up. Like, if I do something, people will forget. I am human just like you, though. I could do the littlest thing. They're going to run up and call up my name. Sometimes it's rumors, too, though. Oh my god, you? I was VG. And somebody going to tell me I told her what the place called? Juvie. What? That's a bad thing in the BVI. A lot of people know you and they want to mess up your name too. Like they don't want to see your strive. I think that's with a lot of places though. That's it. That's the thing. Your name will get called up a lot. How was your name from? Okay. Last one for Instagram. Relationship starters. Taken by a lovely young man. Next.
Where the other questions coming from?
WhatsApp. So looking good. My grandmother texted me looking.
So, looking good. My grandmother texted me looking good. I'm not even. Oh, shucks, my aunt.
Where do you see yourself in 5 or 6 years? Me?
On the cover of Vogue magazine.
Nothing less, nothing more.
Ripping the runway in New York for Fashion Week. Hello.
Nothing less, yeah.
I expect when I open up a catalog, I see this wonderful face staring back at me.
So yeah, I see myself modeling in New York, Italy, high-end places, yes sir. And 5 years, in the next 5-6 years, but I want to be married to him now. We can see. I want to be married by 25. 25 years, yes. Yes. Settle down and married.
What else?
Read this.
It's not normal.
It's not normal, something swells, go to the doctor. Or you get beat up. Topic. Oh, we have a topic. Okay, then put on my phone a little bit. Sex outside marriage.
You just eat that potato like your last potato. Okay, so the topic.
She going to talk to now?
I celebrate. I celebrate.
The person just want to know. They can say if we do anything outside of marriage. Sex outside marriage. As the Bible said, married before intercourse. So
wow.
Choir.
Hey.
So it's not right. And a lot of young ones are doing it these days. But use protection, man.
Facts. Protect yourself.
Yeah, because this world ain't getting any better. And having
sorry.
Yeah.
Nothing, I just saw something.
And having a child at this age, having sex outside marriage, boy, let me say what's happening in today's generation. A lot of young ladies, they marry, they're young, younger than me, and they having sex outside marriage, getting pregnant and what's not for these boys and men, and they don't stay together. And I'm not saying that marriage keeps a relationship or keeps somebody or whatever, but I feel if you probably do the right way, you'll get a good outcome, somewhat.
That's true too.
That's my opinion. You could have a different opinion. That's okay with you. That's what I feel. Like a lot of people, they leaving each other so quick though. Like you have a child, for them, while you're pregnant, they don't jump ship.
This comment is like really sweet. Sorry.
Yeah though.
I didn't have to say that. It's really sweet. But in a nutshell, just take your time. There's no rush.
And nobody rushing you to get married either, because marriage is a big
commitment.
Oh my god.
Big decision.
You can't just say, like you in a relationship, you say you break up today and tomorrow are good. No, when you get married, you can't say you want divorce tomorrow and get married the next day again. Like, no. You can't try to split for marriage. Serious things.
Oh.
Take your time.
Next topic.
No topic. The next topic, somebody asked me, how much I love him. And bye, you're my little bro. Shout out to you. Our love is mutual, okay? What is something you regret not doing that would have made your life better?
Probably not taking my advice. I'm probably starting to hook her a little bit earlier. Listen, the person you see right here right now was always just bold and flagrant and full of confidence.
This girl will make me talk. But go ahead, mama. Shine for me.
Whatever.
Go.
I don't know. That's my opinion about the whole situation. But either ways, her career has kicked off.
Somewhat, somewhat.
Yeah, somewhat. Well, it has kicked off because they have certain people, they have potential, and like they never get to use it. So it has kicked off. Go ahead, back to you.
What I regret? Why just I regret not eating fruits at a young age because I don't eat no fruit. Fruits and vegetables. Regrets. It's personal. So yeah. I regret meeting what? What a question was? It would have made my life better? No. I regret meeting some people though.
I think all of us do.
Regret meeting some people and regret doing some things. But can't speak on that right now. What's your favorite type of foreign food? Seafood? Seafood or foreign food? Chinese food. So, McDonald's.
Ooh, she fancy, huh?
I'm not fancy. I am not someone I had to feed. Like what?
Once it doesn't have too many vegetables and onions and vegetables.
Yeah, you could feed me.
You could feed her.
And once it's fast food.
McDonald's.
And provision. But I don't know that. Green banana. Sweet potato. Them type of thing. What's something you're glad you'll never have to do again?
Wash the dishes.
I don't have a problem washing dishes, to be honest. I'll never have to do again. College, high school. Yes. Sure. You're rude. Cheated on your partner. No. Kissed on a first link. No, because I'm punk.
Interesting.
How was it? Sneaked out the house. Sneaked out the house.
I think we all have. We may say no, but we all have.
Janik, hey!
Don't come for me.
We know in here.
Thank you.
Yes.
This is not about me, guys. It's all about Kelly.
Yeah, but she was talking for me though. She was taking up all my figure. Well.
Potato good.
I think that's all my questions. That's all for today, folks. You want to ask me questions? You want to talk or you?
So, I don't know. Let's ask like quick questions. Long or short hair? Obviously short hair, but period.
Short hair. Period.
Period. In the wall, what would it be?
a small puppy that you could dress up, put pamper on, clothes, and all of that.
Oh wow, you want a kid? Okay.
Well, a puppy.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live?
Hawaii.
Why?
It's tropical, but pretty, like, I don't know, it just give me a vibe. And Guam.
Why? Because Pia is from Guam.
No, I like Guam culture and stuff.
Who's your favorite artist?
My favorite artist?
Probably have a lot.
I have so much. Once you have a vibe in your music, I love you. So I like her, Johnny Aiko, Black.
6 Black?
He'd say his name is not 6 Black.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
But anyways, he, not Travis Scott, what's his name?
I don't know.
Some dude. Soca. I was in Masha Montano.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
I don't know. If you had to choose between 2 cereals, Fruity Pebbles and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch wins hands down.
You asking me or you answering?
I'm just saying.
Cinnamon or what?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch or Fruity Pebbles?
Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles. This is the one I have in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, cinnamon toast. Fruity Pebbles.
Orange juice or apple juice?
Apple.
She came from Mars, guys. Coconut tart or guava tart?
Coconut tart.
Hey, we agree on something.
Don't debate me. Go on, do your thing and debate whoever else.
What else? I don't know. What do you like to do in your spare time other than TikTok?
So you can put me on blast like that?
I already did it.
Watch Netflix.
Do you have like an artistic side to you? Do you like to draw? Do you like to...
I like to... Oh, and I have this app where I put clothes together. Like, I like to dress up. So I design a kind of vibe. Yeah. Jen, I fight you with this crap. Yeah.
Stop! Okay. Ooh, wow. All garnish is going all over the place. Shout out to Right Way for the... Okay, see apples and oranges.
For the lemons and the limes.
I do appreciate Cheka for having me on her YouTube channel. It's my first time. It was awesome. The food was great. It was not sponsored in part by Gatorade, but you can jump on that train like I said. And we don't want to have bad manners on camera, so
We're about to go tear up our crab.
literally, you can't go ham in a crab. We cute. Okay, so it was nice. Thank you.
We're about to go.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, give me videos, ideas.
Subscribe to Kellyysworld. That's your name on the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, subscribe to Kellyysworld. You will not be disappointed.
You'll be annoyed because I don't post a lot and I need to.
But be kind, be courageous,
and be
be you. Thank you. Bye.